The iPhone, every modern man's first camera. They're getting pretty good. I shot my first YouTube videos on this one, and this is basically ancient now, but they can still look better. Stop filming with the lens on the front of the camera. The ones on the back are much higher quality. I mean, look at just the lens size. That alone should tell you something. I know it's weird to not have a monitor to film yourself as a YouTuber, but you'll get used to the camera positioning pretty quickly, and it's worth it for the improved video quality. Or if you have one, use your Apple Watch as a monitor. Next, you've got to get your settings right. Go into your camera settings, then record video, and change recording video to 4K 24 frames per second. That's the cinematic frame rate. Then scroll down and turn off HDR video. This will make it way easier on you in editing. The HDR video just makes color correcting a nightmare, trust me. Go back to your camera settings, and to help you compose your shot, turn on grid and turn off view outside frame. Tip number 3, use a lot of light. Smartphone camera sensors are little itty bitty things compared to professional camera sensors, so it takes more light to make the image look good. If you don't have a couple $100s for a decent video light, I recommend filming outside or setting yourself up in front of a window like so. On a nice day, you should get some good light coming through the windows that'll make you bright enough for the smartphone sensor, but it'll also give you some nice soft shadows across your face, which will look pretty good. This one's controversial, but just trust me, okay? Hear me out. Bring your smartphone footage into your editor and then add just a little bit of vignette on top of it, just a touch to darken up the edges. I know that vignette has a really bad reputation for being like a boogeyman and nobody wants it, but trust me, with smartphone footage that's so flat naturally, having the dark edges around the sides will give it just a touch more depth, and that's really important. Finally, remember that footage quality isn't even the most important factor in improving your video quality. Audio is. If you need to improve your audio, which everybody kind of does, then you should check out this video where I give you 5 hacks for getting good audio.